Oh, we're at day number 66. Let's see what these Obsidian Flame booster packs have in store for us. Let's go. Some of these artworks are extremely cool. Not this one for sure. Oh, this Houndour. Legit. And that's our rarest card for today on this booster pack. Good thing we have another one. We definitely wanted to do it in pairs. Is our second pack going to beat the first pack? Is it a pack battle of the year? Who knows? We have a ton of cool cards, but we're looking for that one. Ooh, it took it. 100%. Illustration rare. Nice. So, second pack. That's what we got. This thing is legit. We're going to send it every day, 2 booster packs.